Welcome to the ClearlyWell podcast. My name is Elizabeth McKeon, and I'm a board-certified registered nurse in behavioral health as well as addiction and recovery. I am committed to reshaping the dialogue on mental health and substance use disorder, as well as changing stigma and language in and around substance use disorder. For the past decade, I've focused on this cause, inspired by the struggles in my own hometown, witnessing locals grappling with homelessness, mental health crises, methamphetamine labs, heroin overdoses, which now I think we all realize there is no such thing as heroin anymore. It's all fentanyl. This has all fueled my dedication to this cause, and I decided that we needed a space where we could talk about the separateness of mental health and substance use disorder and bring it into one space. I want to help erase stigma and craft conversations that are going to help educate everybody. On the ClearlyWell podcast, I'm going to talk, listen, and be the voice for those without one. ClearlyWell podcast will bring mental health and substance use disorder together into one space where every voice can be heard, regardless of fame, regardless of class. In this inaugural podcast, I delve into the journey to podcasting. My passion for mental health and substance use disorder emerged early in my nursing career. I worked in a mental health facility in a border community in Las Cruces, New Mexico. It was there that I really witnessed the struggles of homelessness and substance use disorder and unaddressed mental health issues, lack of access to care. It was almost impossible for us to have a safe discharge plan for a lot of my patients. I can remember one time I had to release a patient to a bridge because this person had no home. This is a story that I'm seeing now in the areas that I live in my hometown. Join me as I share pivotal moments that fuel my commitment to giving these individuals a voice. Listen in as the guests share their personal struggles with mental health issues and those that are in recovery. Family members, friends who've lost a loved one to overdose. I'll also be interviewing professionals in the industry and listening to their experiences. So listen in to the ClearlyWell podcast, because I have a mission to transform the conversation around mental health and substance use disorder by breaking stigma and uniting these crucial topics into one space. Join me as I address the challenges faced by these individuals, and remember, everyone's voice matters. So as I wrap up today's introductory podcast, I want to state that please do not substitute this podcast for professional therapy or treatment. The content shared here is for informational and entertainment purposes only. We do ask our listeners to respect the diverse experiences of individuals and refrain from passing judgment. If you or someone you know needs professional help, please seek the guidance of a registered and qualified mental health professional. ClearlyWell is brought to you by Healthy Georgia and produced by CNC Media.